Hey, I'm back working on these 350 Chevrolet 217 casting cylinder heads. I put guides and hardened seats in them. Remember this? Hey everybody, it's Thursday, 9/11 today, remembrance of 24 years ago. What a tragic day. And then yesterday, the assassination of Charlie Kirk. It's horrible, just horrible. I don't know why people strike out, lash out at people that they don't know for their beliefs. Everyone has their own beliefs in politics and government, and it shouldn't turn to this. But anyways, today I'm going to grind the seats on these heads. All right, so let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to get down in here. This is not a performance build. I'm going to knock this little bump off though. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why they put it on there. I'm just going to knock it off. Just take me a second. There you go. I got rid of just a little bit of nothing down in here. I planted a tiny bit down here in the base. There's a little lip on all of them. Got rid of it. Okay, I'm going to spray some graphite on here so you guys can see what I'm grinding. Here we go, I got it graphited. Now I'm going to hit the 45. There you go, there's the 45, but it's too wide. Now I'm going to narrow it up. I'm going to bump it with a 60. Okay, there you go, I re-graphited it so we can see the 45. Here goes the 60. A little bit more. Now I'm going to hit it with the 30. I think the 45 is going to get too narrow though. Yep. There you go. Here's the 60. That's the 45 there and the 30. That 45 is a little bit too narrow. Now I'm going to graphite it again and just bump the 45 and it'll come out perfect width. There you go. And that's just the 45. So I'll do them all. There you go. All the intakes. Came out beautiful. Let me do the exhaust. Okay, now let's see how the exhaust goes. Look at that, it's perfect. We bump along. There you go, 3-angle valve job. Came out perfect. Nice crisp angles. So I'm ready to surface, but somebody's using the machine right now. So I guess I'll test the springs. I have this tester made by Rimac. I already have it set. Let's put the spring in here and check it. 80 pounds. It's good. Let me check them all, and if I find a bad one, I'll get back to you. I tested great except for this one. It's only got 70 pounds. I'm going to call the customer and see if he wants me to replace the whole set or just give him a good used one. He said they'll take a used one, so I got this one. 80 pounds. So there's nothing wrong with this. It's a stock engine, and I've got a ton of these old springs. Well, not a ton of them. I have quite a few. I save them on jobs. I'm not going to charge them for this spring. I'm already charging them, for their job. So let me throw all this stuff in the tumbler and get it cleaned up, and then maybe by then David will be done with that surfacer, and we'll get them surfaced. Okay, I got it in the machine. It's level. Let's check end to end. Okay, it's right on the 0. Okay, let's check it down here. All right, on the 0. Let's cut it. Okay, now I'm going to make a witness mark. Just going to twist this handle down. There it is. Now you can see it hit all the way across. I'm going to take 2/1000 on the way back, so we'll be back when we get off the other end. Here we are on the back side. We got a little bit of gasket impression here. There you go in the middle. I'm going to take another 1,000 on the way back, see what it does. Still got a little mark right here. I'm going to do a half a thou up, and then I'll do a half a thou back the other way. Just clean it up a lot better. Okay, here we go. It's just coming off the end. It's a lot better. Let me get this out of here and get the other head in. Okay, I got the second head in here. I'll come back when I'm just finishing it. A little spot right there we're chasing. Up. Took 4 off this one, just like the other one. Just coming off the end. There we go. Hey, so this is the feed rate. This is how fast it goes. Then I can turn up the speed. This is as fast as it can go. Let me get this one washed. Okay, I got one head painted. Waiting for the paint to dry on this one. I gotta wash these springs off. Okay, the paint's dry. I'm gonna be oiling up the valves on this side. And I got some Viton seals. I'm gonna reuse these Pioneer locks that are nice and hard. I'm gonna put shims on the intake, some 30s. I measured all the stem heights. They're looking pretty nice, aren't they? So let's get going. Okay, now I'm going to put oil on the tops of the guides, and I'll put a little dab on the intake spring seats so that glues this down when I'm assembling. So I compress the spring, this O-ring goes on there, and that makes a seal. So that combined with the shield keeps water from going down the stem. Not water, oil. That's it, we're done. Water going down your stem. Well, you got water going down your stem. I can't help you there, buddy. Maybe you're in a boat and it's gone under. Hey, let's have a look at these things, huh? So I just use screwdrivers to prop these up. Kind of works good. Let me flip them over and show them to you. Here's a look at the deck side. Here's a look at them on the top. These did come off of a boat, but they're going on a Suburban. The marine heads, car heads, truck heads, same heads. Came out nice. There you go, set of rebuilt small block Chevrolet heads. Full set of guides, hardened seats, surface, new seals, painted up nice. I'm sure it's going to run just great. Thanks for coming along, you guys, and I just got one more thing to say. Rest in peace, Charlie. You're going to be missed by a lot of people, and my wishes go out to the whole Kirk family. All right? We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.